weep for the suffering in nature, especially that of amphibians. They inhabit a realm of exquisite miniature beauty, yet are visited by mortal danger at every turn. As an embryonic polyglot, a toad graces the waters. As a noble adult, it braves a cold universe that will extract everything from it. A frog inhabits reality in the rawest sense. Their moist little eyes have seen horrors beyond the imagining of most humans, all in their small range of a few hundred feet. In that crazy micro-world with spiders as big as your head and terrible, irresistible snakes like dragons. Look into their faces and see that they know many secrets, and they suffer a million cruel fates. They're squished, eaten alive, starved, carried off and boiled in the sun. I weep for their sufferings.